Hi, hello friends, welcome to World Explorer India. Today on 29 May 2021, we are celebrating International Day of UN Peacekeepers. The 2021 theme is The Road to a Lasting Peace, leveraging the power of youth for peace and security. International Day of UN Peacekeepers is celebrated every year to pay tribute to the uniformed and civilian personnel's invaluable contribution to work of organization and to honor more than 4,000 peacekeepers who have lost their lives serving under the United Nations flag since 1948. Peace and security is every year costing around 7.2 billions. 40 plus peacekeeping special political missions and offices to prevent conflict and support for the peace building efforts. Theme of the year is The Road to a Lasting Peace, leveraging the power of youth for peace and security. The main principles of peacekeeping are consent of the parties, impartiality and non-use of the force except in self-defense and the defense of the mandate. 29 May 1948, the first UN peacekeeping mission for UN military observers to Middle East from UNTSO to monitor the armistice agreement between Israel and Arab neighbors. Today there are 72 UN peacekeeping missions, 95,000 plus military, police and civilian personnel in 13 operations, 3,900 plus uniformed female military and 1,300 plus uniformed female police, supporting the peace and stability in 15 plus countries. 6% of all uniformed military, police and justice and corrections personnel in the field missions are women. What exactly peacekeeping is? Peacekeeping is helping the countries to navigate the difficult path from the conflict to the peace. Peacekeepers are civilian, military, police personnel working together. Peacekeeping operations like monitoring the ceasefires to protect civilians, disarming ex-combatants, protecting human rights, promoting the rule of law, supporting free and fair elections, minimizing the risk of landmines, etc. And also for the crime prevention, drug control and anti-corruption, promotion of international justice and law, coordination of humanitarian assistance, promotion and protection of the human rights. Role of women peacekeepers: better access to population including women and children. They are playing a vital role in supporting the survivors of gender-based violence and also the violence against children. Female peacekeepers playing a key role in preservation and safeguarding of cultural property in the time of war and conflict, and also focus on the gender equality. United Nations radio, there are two stations, that is Radio Okapi and Radio Miraya in Congo and South Sudan. Dag Hammarskjöld Medal is given to the persons who are serving under the UN missions and who have lost their lives. This award is given posthumously. The first medal has been given to Dag Hammarskjöld and this medal is named after him, and second medal has been given to Commandant René de Lebrier. Third medal to the family of Count Folke Bernadotte. The Military Gender Advocate of the Year award in the year of 2019 is given jointly to Major Suman Gavani from India, who played a vital role in UN Miss South Sudan mission, and Commander Carla Monteiro de Castro Araújo from Brazil. These are the 12 peacekeeping operations currently existing. UNMOGIP, that is United Nations mission, which is funded by UN regular budget, which is costing around $10 lakh approximately. The first group of United Nations military observers arrived in the mission area in the 24 January of 1949. This is located in India and Pakistan. Headquarters is in Islamabad from November to April and in Srinagar from May to October. The mission headquarters is in between Srinagar and Islamabad, and liaison office is in New Delhi. The website for this is unmogip.unmissions.org. The main troop contributors are Croatia, South Korea, Finland, Philippines, Sweden, Switzerland, Thailand and Uruguay. 740 kilometers across the line of control and 44 military observers. Peacekeeping fund, every year all the countries are contributing for this, and among which the top 10 countries include US, China, Japan, Germany, UK, France, Italy, Russia, Federation, Canada and Republic of Korea. This year it is around 6.8 billion, and there are other countries which are also funding in means of transportation, supplies, personnel and financial contributions. UN has no military forces of its own, but member states provide on voluntary basis, and approximately $1,428 per soldier per month is being spent. This is the hashtag #A4P, that is Action for Peacekeeping. Indian Battalion bags UNIFIL Environment Award in the year of 2020. If anyone is interested in making a career, this is an incredibly challenging career, and you have to stay away from the family, serving in harsh conditions and take the risk worth every sacrifice. Women working for UN is an inspiration to the young girls. These are the top 10 countries for the peacekeeping: Bangladesh, Rwanda, Ethiopia, Nepal, followed by India, Pakistan, Egypt, Indonesia, China and Ghana. Women in peacekeeping is increasing every year. Thank you, India, for your service and sacrifice. India has provided more than 2 lakh military and police officers to UN peacekeeping over the last 70 years. This is the hashtag A4P, Action for Peacekeeping. This is the organogram related to UN peacekeeping. So peacekeeping is related to protecting the civilians, facilitating the political processes, supporting the organization of elections, assist in disarmament, demobilization and reintegration, restore the rule of law and promote the human rights. If you want more information, you can find out at UN peacekeeping website, and these are all the social media where you can connect with them. All the information taken from peacekeeping.un.org. If you like this video, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.